Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. So if you choose from here, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Number 1 on our list is VIVOHOME Collapsible Folding Utility Wagon. This easy-to-open trolley is perfect for those who want to transport large items around their yard. The double mesh front pockets allow you to carry cups and drinks, or tools like pruning shears, hand shovels, or other small items. Constructed with a heavy-duty tubular steel frame that won't bend easily and a removable and waterproof PVC-coated 600 Oxford cloth, the cart is durable and easy to clean. You can set it up in seconds and without using tools. The cloth is firm and tenacious with a wonderful depth, so you can even put your pets or children inside and haul them with you to the park or supermarket without them jumping out. The handle's height is adjustable by pressing the red button. The swiveling wheels and the handle allows you to haul this cart in any direction on a dime, working well for easy steering. With the locking system, you can get the handle's height fixed according to your needs. Number 2 in this best collapsible wagon list is Sekey Collapsible Folding Wagon. A beach wagon can simplify many daily tasks, such as taking out your garden tools or carrying your groceries. It can, obviously, also help haul items at events or your gear for beach trips. A good one can make life easier, even better. But a crappy one will frustrate and disappoint very quickly. Today, many multi-purpose carts are foldable, allowing you to bring them quickly when not loaded or store them when not in use. One of our most used folding carts today is the Sekey Classic Folding Wagon. Coaxial steering is easier to control than 360 degrees universal wheels, and steered in situ. No matter which direction you want to go, you can easily move the wagon around. Folding wagon with 7 inches diameter big all-terrain wheels that are 3 times wider than other wagons' wheels, which means you can take it to anywhere, such as mud, grass, bumps, and curbs. The waterproof fabric is 600D Oxford, which won't tear when sharp objects are placed inside. For details, let's watch more. Our third pick is Best Choice Products Collapsible Outdoor Utility Wagon. The steel-framed cart with 4 small but mighty wheels can do wonders for your load weighing under 150 pounds. Whether you tend to do many grocery runs during the week or use it as a beach essentials carrier, it will serve you equally well. You can easily cut down on time you spend hauling items and transfer it instead to the time you spend with your friends and family. The Best Choice Products Utility Cargo Wagon can help you with this transition. The storage area is ample. The space for cargo accounts for 32 inches, while the 2 cup holders together with the removable pocket provide you with room for storing your small-scale items. There is also a detachable, weather-resistant canopy that shelters your load from sun and rain. Folding the wagon doesn't take a long time either. In just a couple of seconds you end up with a compact cart that can rest in your closet or in the trunk of your car until the next use. Fourth pick in our best collapsible wagon list is WHITSUNDAY Collapsible Folding Utility Wagon. WHITSUNDAY effortlessly haul your gear or groceries with the WHITSUNDAY Folding Utility Wagon. The wagon folds and opens in seconds with an easy operation. It is designed to be lightweight and yet durable. This wagon is perfect for trips to the market, park, beach, sporting events, camping, and much more. The wagon folds easily into its own storage bag for easy storage. All 4 wheels include bearings for smooth and easy of operation. 2 front wheels each includes a pair of front foot brake. Can withstand up to 200 pounds of load. Extra thick steel frame to ensure sturdiness. Durable canvas fabric on the wagon can be removed for cleaning. Patented design to ensure easy folding and unfolding. Once collapsed, the wagon is very compact. The tilting pulling handle is telescopic with adjustable length of 20 inches to 30 inches for a comfortable height. Heavy duty and durable rubber wheels can rotate 360 degrees for easy maneuvering. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Timber Ridge Collapsible Folding Wagon. Timber Ridge Wagon is a perfect utility wagon cart for garden, beach and shopping. It is a must-have when you go camping, go to beach or garden, or just move things. 4 oversized large wheels, 360 position rotation of front wheels and fixed back wheels make this wagon more stable on most terrains. It opens and folds up in seconds, quick and easy. It supports up to 100 pounds to 150 pounds weight capacity. It's enough to take a large amount of daily items. The collapsible cart equipped with 4 large-sized wheels with a diameter of 8 inches. The 2 front wheels of this camping cart can rotate 360 degrees, easy to turn around. The retractable handle for easy adjust. The folding camping cart equipped with 2 cup holders for drinks when you go camping. The side storage bag of this camping wagon to keep belongings organized. The pad on the bottom of this shopping wagon is better for placing items. The collapsible wagon can be placed in the trunk when you go out. It is more space saving and can make your car store more other items. For details, let's watch more.